Hey guys, what's good? Did you ever wonder how to make a burger bun? Why go out and buy one when you can make a beautiful, delicious bun all by yourself? The recipe I'm going to share with you today is based off of challah bread, but we can easily turn it into a burger bun, which is going to be absolutely delicious. Stick around to find out how. Let's make some beautiful challah burger buns. We'll start off by dissolving some sugar with warm water, then following by 1 teaspoon of yeast. Stir that around very well, make sure that there's no chunks on the bottom, and set that aside. Next, we're gonna sift the flour. We have 2 cups of pre-measured flour in here. All-purpose flour will do just right if you don't have bread flour. Next, we're going to add the salt and the sugar. You want to stir that around with your whisk and create a well in the center. Into the well, add the eggs, the vegetable oil, and give that a good mix with your whisk. You don't want to incorporate too much flour into the mixture. You want to make sure that your yeast has a frothy layer on top of it. Add the yeast to the center of the well and mix it with the eggs and oil. Once that is fully whisked, you can take a wooden spoon and incorporate the flour and the mixture together. You want to create a somewhat pasty batter. Transfer it over to your stand mixer and attach the dough hook. Knead the mixture for about 5 minutes. As you knead the dough, you might notice that the mixture is too wet. Add a tablespoon of flour at a time. You want to achieve a somewhat firm dough. You don't want it too runny. Once the dough is done, you can transfer it over to your working surface. I'm using a scraper here to make my life easier. Gently knead the dough for about 5 minutes. This will help activate the gluten. Round up the dough and place it in an oiled steel bowl. Cover the bowl with a damp kitchen towel and let it sit for 2 hours. Once the dough has risen and doubled in size, use your fist to deflate the dough. Then, using a scraper, transfer it to your work surface. You want to divide the portions of dough into 140 to 150 grams. Once you've divided the dough, you want to slightly knead it. Just be careful not to knead the dough too much, as you don't want to deflate it. Be very gentle with it. And finish off with a rolling motion. Transfer it to a parchment paper and let it rise for about 1 hour under a cling film. Once the dough has risen, you can remove the cling film, brush it with egg, sprinkle with sesame seeds, and using a pair of scissors, cut an X shape on top of the bun. This will allow moisture and steam to escape and give it an interesting shape. Voila! Wait for 10 minutes and enjoy!